In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a chat in Atera software. So Atera provides a built-in chat features that allows IT technicians to communicate with end users directly through the agent. So whether you need to assist users remotely or provide quick support, this guide will help walk you through the process. So let's get started. So first, make sure you are on the official website of Atera.com and already log in with your credential. And now in the Atera dashboard, click on the devices and then in the left-hand menu, locate the device of the user you want to chat with and then click on the device name to open its details. And then inside the device details page, look for the chat option and then click start chat and a chat window will appear on the left side and the user will receive a notifications on their device if the Atera agent is installed and running. And then type your message in the chat window and press enter to send and the user can reply directly from their PC or Mac. Use the guide users through troubleshooting steps or request additional details about an issue. And that's it. That's how you start a chat in Atera software. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.